Hello everyone, this is Fitbit, and in this video, I will show you how to initialize Redpitaya, which is a very important tool for the scientists and for the engineer. In order to use Redpitaya for the project, what you want to do, and you first should initialize the Redpitaya first. What I did this time, in the first place, is to plug in the SD card into my computer. As you can see here, the SD card is this, and my computer cannot hold this. So I need to plug the SD card into a SD card reader. As you can see here, the bigger one, and I plug both of them into my personal computer. As you can see, like this. Then what you should do is to download some crucial softwares. There are some videos in the YouTube that tells you about how to download it. And I just want to summarize it and to show you some very clear picture about how to do it. There are two things you should download. The first is the Redpitaya SD card image, which you can see here. And the second is a Win32 disk imager, as you can see in this link. I put the two links under this video so that you can download it as you like. And what you can see when you click this is like this, the Win32 disk imager. And what you can do to click this is to this. And then you should click the latest stable, that is the latest one, and you can download the image. Okay, this is a very important thing. And here is one more thing I want to mention is that when you download both of them, and you need to unzip both of them. Okay, after you unzip both of them, and you should be careful with the drive you choose to overwrite the image into your certain drive. And for most of people, I think that the drive you choose will be the E drive, because in the personal computer there will be normally like C drive and D drive. So normally when you plug in the SD card and the SD card reader, it will be E drive. So actually you should be careful with like the drive, the device you choose. Here, as you can see here, I choose the E drive. So after this, and you can click the right and wait for it. It will be not so fast. So actually you can wait for some time and it will pop out and tell you that it is already finished when it is really finished. So this is the first lecture about the Redpitaya learning channel. And I hope this video can help you how to download the Redpitaya and how to initialize the Redpitaya. And I hope everything goes well with you guys. And see you in the next video. This is Fitbit. See you next time. Bye bye.